Hi students, I'm your teacher, Mr. Benson. I just want to do a quick video to show you how to find and submit assignments for Schoology. So the first thing you do, of course, is log on to Schoology, obviously. And then you click on your course. And any of these might be your courses. I'm going to click on this fake course right down here. But again, your course is probably U.S. History or Honors U.S. History, one of those. I'm going to click on this fake one. Okay. All right, now. If you, well, the easiest thing to do is look under upcoming. If your assignment isn't past due yet, it should show up right here. You can click on it and there you go. There's your assignment. Now, if your assignment is already past due, okay, it's probably not going to show up under upcoming. So what you do is look under the folder. I'm going to pretend we're in the civil rights movement now. This would be the civil rights movement folder. Okay. And you can look and see, where's my assignment? Where's my assignment? Oh, there it is, MLK assignment. And you can tell it's an assignment because it has a pencil and a paper, just like that. And you can click on it, and there you go. Now with the assignments, excuse me, with the assignments, there's always a description of what you have to do. And there might be websites embedded in there, okay? And you might find videos, like these have videos down here. To watch the videos, by the way, you just want to press it once, and there you go. You can watch the video, okay? At the bottom, you might find additional things attached. For instance, here's a couple websites. Here's a Word document that might help you out. Okay, what I suggest you do, by the way, with the Word documents and the PDFs and that kind of thing is you want to click on view. That way, if you don't have Word, or if you don't have a program to view PDFs, you'll still be able to see it. So you click on view, okay, and bum, bada, bum, there you go. There's your document, okay. And it doesn't matter if you don't have Word or anything like that. Doesn't matter if you click on view, okay. All right, now. Once you do that, then you need to submit the assignment. Now to submit the assignment, you can do that several different ways. And I always give you a description at the bottom of some directions on what I think is the easiest way down here. So you can always refer back to that. Well, anyways, up here somewhere, you'll see a little tab, or you'll see something that's to click on that says submit assignment. Click on that, and then you'll have some options. The easiest, I think, is to click on create. You click on create, a big old box comes in. You can type in there, click submit, and then you're done. I think it's the easiest way to go. And again, down here, it gives you directions for that. A couple other things you can do. You can click on submit assignment, and you have upload. You can click on upload. And then if you want to type out your answers and say a Word document and upload it to Schoology, that's fine as well. There's also a resource tab. We can click on resources, and that's where you can upload your Google Docs and other things as well. So you might want to play around with that if you wish. But like I said, I think the easiest thing to do, in my opinion, is just what it says right here. Just click on submit assignment, create, submit, and you're done. And again, you'd find that up in this area right here. Submit assignment, create, type in the big old box that comes up, and submit. What I suggest you do, but you know, if you want to upload a document or Google Docs, that's fine as well. That's really all I have for you, I think. Can't think of anything else that I really need to tell you. If you have any more questions, go to the how-to folder in Schoology. And I do have a how to message me through Schoology document on there. And I give you about 3 or 4 different ways that you can get a hold of me. So if you really are still having issues with this, that's perfectly fine. All you have to do is contact me through Schoology or through the school website, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So I hope you and your family are safe, and I will see you really soon. And let's see if I can figure out how to stop this. Stop recording. All right, stay safe, guys.